Hey friends, this is Manuraj here from Gadget. Today I'm here to show you how to roll back from the global beta or the global developer room to the global stable room. So without further wasting any time, let's get started. So to get started, as you can see here, my device is running on the global beta ROM 8.1.11. So when I was about to roll back, I got another update that is 8.1.18. So I will be rolling back from the global developer ROM 8.1.18 to the global stable ROM. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to download the official stable ROM from the MIUI official site. I have already downloaded it. I will leave the link in the description. You can download it from there. So once the download is complete, place the zip file in any of the folders inside your internal storage. So now you have to go to the updater app and press on the three dots on the right side of the screen and then click on choose update package and click MI file explorer and browse the zip file that you have downloaded. So I have kept in the download folder. As you can see here, it is a global stable ROM 9.1.1.0. So just click on that and click the OK button. So it is trying to get the info of the zip file. So once, give it some time, and after some time it starts to decrypt. So once it starts to decrypt, that means it has accepted the zip file and it is ready to go. So after decryption, you will get an option to erase data. So erase data and update. Since you are rolling back from the global beta ROM to the global stable ROM, you have to erase all the data. All the data in the internal storage will be wiped. So once you click on erase and update, your phone will restart automatically, and after a few minutes you will see the MIUI 9 logo. So you have to continue with the initial setup process. So I have completed the initial setup process, and let me check the about phone. So I'm going to the about phone, and as you can see here, I am right now in the global stable ROM 9.1.1.0. So this is the easiest way to roll back from the global beta ROM to the global stable ROM. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and do share it to your friends and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos.
For more such videos, subscribe to Gadget, press the subscribe button and then press the bell icon to get all our notifications.